Hello beginners, welcome to Makeup 360. Today's video is going to be a little bit fun video because I'm going to tell you tips how to convert your small eye into a big and open eye look, and it's going to be a very basic video for all the beginners. I'm going to use few cosmetic products including some shades, and you can achieve this eye look. And so let's go toward the video. So the first tip for bigger and open eye look is to apply lenses, and if you have a brown shade lens, go for that. It will give you an open eye look. I already did my brow work, and if you want to know how I did that, just go on my previous videos, and I'm also attaching the link in the description box. So now I will try to create this eye look with just two colors with the same palette. I will go lighter shade on the inner corner and the darker shade on the outer corner, and that's how you get a big eye look. So I'm using e.l.f.'s blending eye brush, and I'm using Morphe palette. With this brown shade, I'm just tabbing on the outer edge. Right now, I'm just tabbing it. I'm just putting it because I want to get a maximum pigment from this. And now I'm blending it with the same brush. And I want to get hard lines. And this is some random fluffy brush from Amazon. And I'm going to give more blending on my upper crease. So now it's pretty much blendable look. Blending is very important. Now we're using this makeup brush. It's a random makeup brush. And I'm using same Morphe palette, this white shimmer shade. And here I have a darker shade. Here I'm going to apply a lighter shade. And in this way, your eye look open and big if you go lighter on the inner side and darker on the outer side. I'm also giving some touch on my brow. Now from the same shade which I used before, I'm again applying it and giving it a blending look. It will remove the hard lines. Now I'm applying a liquid glitter. You can use any company's liquid glitter. It's a local liquid glitter. Now with Milani's gel pencil, what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this gel pencil on my lid. And right now you can go like roughly because it's a cream based gel pencil and I have to blend it. And the outer, I will blend it as much in my outer edge as I can. And this will also help you to achieve an open eye and a big eye look. Now I'm using Essence False Lash Mascara before applying false lashes. I'm using NYX white pencil on my lower lid, and yeah, this will give you an open eye look, so go for that. Applying mascara on your lower lash also gives you a very open eye look, so never forget to apply mascara. The same shade which I applied on my outer corner, I'm applying on my lower lid, and the same shade which I apply in my inner corner, inner lid, I'm applying on my inner corner. And now I'm applying my foundation, and that's, you see, I just used two shades, nothing much. I try my best to make it as simple as possible, and here are a few tips where you can achieve this small eye into open and big eye look. And I'm very hopeful that you get my video, and if you really like my video, my work, please do subscribe my channel and keep watching Makeup 360. Keep commenting so I can know what you like and what you don't.